Imagine driving down the highway, feeling confident and in control. But what if your brakes or suspension were to fail? Original equipment parts are specifically designed for your vehicle. They ensure optimal performance, safety, and durability over time. Original brakes and suspension are designed to work in harmony. Together, they provide a smoother ride, better handling, and improved safety. When you replace your brakes or suspension with original parts, you can trust they'll match the quality and performance of your vehicle's original components. Original brakes and suspension are engineered to meet strict safety standards. This means you can drive with confidence, knowing your vehicle is safe. Original equipment parts are designed for your vehicle's unique needs. This ensures a precise fit, optimal performance, and extended lifespan. When you choose original brakes and suspension, you're investing in your safety. You're also ensuring your vehicle's value and resale potential remain intact. Original equipment parts are the smart choice for any driver, anywhere. They offer unparalleled quality, performance, and peace of mind. So why settle for anything less when you can have the best? Choose original brakes and suspension for a safer, more enjoyable driving experience. Your safety and the safety of your passengers depend on it. Don't compromise on quality. Choose original equipment parts every time. For a vehicle that's as safe as it is reliable, trust original brakes and suspension. Your vehicle's original components are the foundation of its performance and safety. So why replace them with anything less? Choose original brakes and suspension for a vehicle that's built to last. And with